This question is asking what happens to the number of people that Debbie hires if she's working in a market that sells products at $10 a piece and she has to pay her workers $30 each. So we go through the process of finding the marginal revenue product for each worker and compare that to their wage to see how many people Debbie would hire before the government intervenes. And so we look for the marginal product of labor. So it's just how much each additional worker adds to the total product. So the first worker adds 3. The next worker adds 7 because we go from 3 to 10. The next worker adds 6, and then 5, and then 4, and then 3. That's their marginal product. The value of the marginal product of labor is how much they produce times how much each good sells for, because that tells us how much they're adding to the company's bottom line. So the first worker is adding $30 in value because he's selling 3 products at $10 a piece. Second worker is 70. Third worker is 60. The next worker is 50. Then 40 and 30. So left alone, Debbie would hire all the way up to 6 workers because that's the marginal benefit is $30 of the 6th worker, and that's equal to his cost of $30. So the marginal benefit equals marginal cost at 6. But the question says that the government imposes a minimum wage that says you have to pay at least $50 to each worker. So instead of hiring 6 workers, now every worker is getting paid $50, so we have to back up and see where is the marginal benefit, last point at which marginal benefit is greater than or equal to that $50 cost, and that's at 4 workers. So when the government imposes that minimum wage law, Debbie will go from hiring 6 workers to 4, and the answer then is C.